Alfa Romeo revealed their new SUV called Tonale. It's got a beautiful and unique design and will for sure be an eye-catcher on the road. The front features the innovative 3+3 headlights that look particularly cool during the night. Dimensions: 4 meters 53 is the length, width is 1 meter 84 and height is 1.6 meters. Look at the rear reveals the new connected lights and Tonale lettering, which will make this compact SUV easily recognizable on the road. The interior design of Tonale draws inspiration from the racing heritage of Alfa Romeo. In front of the driver there's a digital cockpit and sporty steering wheel. There's also a new infotainment system. Engines are electrified. Tonale is fitted with a range of efficient hybrid engines. The entry point to the Tonale world is the 130 horsepower hybrid version. For top performance, there's also a 275 horsepower plug-in hybrid. To complete the list of engines in Europe, also the diesel engine will be available. It's a 1.6 liter with 130 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this new Alfa Romeo SUV?